Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we are doing a cozy autumnal, Christmassy, winter, fall Poundland haul. I actually can't remember the last time I went into Poundland. I don't think it was too long ago. When I went in this time it was ridiculously good and I was so excited. We've got a little Poundland haul today. If this is your first video on this channel, my name is Sophie. I make 3 videos every single week on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays, all about living your best life on a budget. So please subscribe and join the kindest, nicest, most positive community on YouTube. I think we should just get into it. And if you're excited, also give it a thumbs up and let's go. I hope you're all cozy, by the way, for this, because this one's going to be a cozy one. Okay, so I went into Poundland with the intention of looking at all their baking stuff. I have just started properly getting back into baking. If you don't know, actually baking is like a huge hobby of mine and I flipping love it. It's a passion. Just moved house and it is pretty crazy how many things you lose on the move. The first thing I did pick up for my baking, really gorgeous wooden silicone spatula, which is absolutely perfect for baking, for like kind of creaming off all the sides. That sounds so gross. Scraping off all the sides of cream, that's what I meant, and like cookie dough mix or cake mix and brownie mix, all of that. So I bought this. It is so adorable. It's like in this lovely country cottage pink, like a really nice baby pink. And if you want, I can like do lots of baking videos because baking is my passion, and obviously we all love food on this channel. You have to let me know in the comments down below if you'll actually watch them and you actually want me to do them. Great British Bake Off 2020, here I come. The next thing I picked up from Poundland are these loaf tin liners, which I think are so good. I didn't know you could get these. I normally use that stuff where you tear it and then cut it and all that, but I find there's like a lot of wastage. I make banana bread quite a lot, so I feel like I wanted to have these for when I'm making my banana bread. I just think they're really, really handy. You get 15 in a pack. I also bought from the same range the icing bag tips. So these are basically little tips where you can like push out frosting or icing, things like that, and it creates like shapes, and then yeah, it just looks really good in my opinion. Who was I watching the other day? I think I was watching Hazelwood, and she was baking and she used like some of these and it looked so nice. So that's kind of what I want to do for like my cupcakes, just do some nice frosting. And obviously to go with the little icing tips, I bought some icing bags. There's 20 in this pack, so this will last like quite a while. You guys probably already know this, but basically you just put your icing in here, snip off the tip, you put your tip in there as well, like at first before the icing, and then it like naturally goes through the hole. I also picked up from their baking range. Their baking range was good. I feel like it could have been better. There's just a lack of Christmassy things and pumpkin things, but still, well, I'm saying a lack of Christmas stuff and I'm about to show you something. So I picked up some treat bags, flipping cute or what. So first of all, we have this one, which is 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly, fa la 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 la. This is a 20 pack bag, and it's basically like a treat bag, so you can put like a lovely little cupcake on there, and also it has red ribbon in the back, so I could put like a really nice gorgeous Christmas cupcake in one of these bags and tie it with the ribbon at the top, and then it can be like a gift to someone or just to put a smile on someone's face at Christmas. I just think there's so many things you could do with this, and to make it nice and Christmassy is so flipping cute. I was so happy with this for only £1 as well, like really nice. Also had these ones, which is May Your Days Be Merry and Bright, which look how cool that is. Honestly, that is something you would find in Paper Chase, like this vintage kind of like light bulb that would be a Christmas light, and I don't know, I just really like them. Again, 20 in a pack, and they have red ribbons at the back, so your girl is giving out cakes this Christmas. Queue up over there, pay over here. I was down there Christmas Isle, and they always have these like really cool little fairy lights, which one I think are perfect for this time of year, just like to have like along the sides of here, like how my leaves are at the moment. Last year I got some Nutcracker fairy lights. If you remember, if you really are an OG, you will remember that Poundland haul from last year. This year I found these gorgeous little berry lights. So they are frosted red berry fairy lights. I think they're so cute. I got 2 packs because there's only 8 in a pack, and I feel like it's not going to be that long. So my plans for these, and this is where it gets exciting, I I am almost finished with my home office. There's always going to be stuff to kind of add and change in there, but to make it kind of functional for the moment and still look pretty, yeah, I'm nearly there, guys. I feel like these are going somewhere in my office, and you guys, when you notice them, when I'm in there filming, I'm not going to point them out, just let me know where you see them. I just feel like that'll be a fun game. Anyway, yeah, so for only £1 each, I think these are super cute. Also, quite randomly, I was looking in their beauty section and I really need some cuticle oil because my real nails are so thin. My nails are always cracking and they will like split at the side and it's really annoying. And yeah, so the lady at the nail bar said, look, you have to use cuticle oil because apparently that really helps to strengthen the new nail that's coming through. So I'm going to give it a go. This was from the makeup gallery Poundland. I don't know if getting like really cheap cuticle oil will make a difference and it will not be great, so please let me know if you know anything about nails or cuticle oil because I am struggling with this. Anyway, I thought I'd get this. I'll try it out. I'll let you guys know how it is over on Instagram. I had a look in the cleaning aisle. There's not many like Christmassy autumn cleaning stuff yet, which is kind of annoying because I really want to film an autumn speed clean with me or like autumn clean my whole house with me. I picked up some Pledge Clean It multi-purpose cleaner. Apparently this is good for wood and glass and it's good for like dust and mess, and I like kind of spraying and wiping down with my microfiber cloths. I just enjoy doing that, don't know why, I just do. So I've used Pledge before, but the furniture polish, but not the Clean It version. Lawrence is going to be so excited about the next things. I found more Twin Peaks chocolate. I can't tell you how nice this chocolate is. This is why I love you guys so much, because you come out with all like the most interesting facts. And I kept getting loads of DMs saying, Sophie, this is Poundland's chocolates. They were sued apparently a few years ago, but now they've come back and they're back and better in my opinion, because these chocolates are so good. For £1, by the way, a huge bar, and it's like this really thick chocolatey chocolate with lovely stuff in it. Lawrence flipping loves these. I'm tempted to keep one behind and like put it in his stocking this year. I got 3 flavours. The first flavour I picked up is the dark chocolates with almond and honey nougat. This is the popping candy one. So it's got popping candy and honey nougat as well. And this one, which is the best one, oh my gosh, well, I say it's the best one, it's like one of the only ones I've eaten so far, but it's the honeycomb crisp. It's so flipping good, so Moorish, really love it, really recommend you find these. Also in the Christmas aisle, I picked up some bottle bags because I feel like giving a bottle of something away at Christmas is just the perfect gift for any adult in the family. It's like something I always do. If I run out of ideas about what to get them, I just think, okay, what do they like to drink? Red wine, gin. You cannot go wrong for £1. These things are normally like £3 something in places like Clinton's and all of those places. So yeah, for such a nice pattern as well. It's like got lovely polar bears on, like a big polar bear protecting a little one and little snow rabbits, and I think they'll look really nice under the tree as well. I also picked up a sieve because for some reason in the house move, my sieve has bloody sieved away. This sieve is from, again, their baking range, and it's got like a nice baby pink, pale pink handle, and it was only £1, and this is going to be good for all that cast sugar and icing sugar. I picked up a box of tissues, and they are the Snowman. If you don't know, it's one of the best Christmas films ever. I just love The Snowman. I think it's such a nice film. The music is beautiful. So I thought these would be really nice to have out on November 1st. Get your tissues out because I will be crying because Christmas is upon us. I picked up some Radox because Radox makes the best bubble bath. If you don't know, you have to know. You have to try Radox. Radox for me is nostalgic. It smells like my childhood, and I love that. I always pick up a Radox when I'm in Poundland or B&M or place like that because it's always cheaper than Boots. This was only £1 and it was the Feel Relaxed one. For my fur babies, because you know I can't go into these shops without picking them something up, I picked up 3 bags of Dreamies. They love the beef flavour. Oh my gosh, they love that flavour. Also, you might recognise these. I picked up more of these because they still have these in Poundland, and I'm trying to stock up for the rest of my life because my cat, oh my gosh, she is obsessed with this. There is something about this £1 thing that's got no catnip in. It's nothing special, but there is something about it that she flipping loves. So yeah, I picked up another 2 because right now they're still indoors because we've just moved house. So I'm trying to keep them entertained. And also because I forgot one of my bag for lives, which is so annoying when I do that. I literally hate myself every time. I decided to pick up this, which is all I want for Christmas is unicorns Christmas bag. How cute is this? It has candy canes and gingerbread men and unicorns and Christmas colours all over it. And I thought, how perfect is this to put like my niece's Christmas presents in, because she is still a unicorn fan, which is super cute. She's only 4 years old. So at Christmas I'm going to use this as her Christmas gift bag. I haven't been uploading as much at the moment, guys, because I have so much on. You will see why I've had so much on very soon, but it's stuff that I can't just talk about straight away. Uploads are starting to come back to 3 times a week as of today, hopefully. And we might have like added bonus uploads now because, well, from November onwards, because it's got Christmas and I flipping love Christmas. I have so many ideas for content for Christmas. If you do want to see any particular type of video, please let me know in the comments down below, and yeah, I'll get back to you. I love you guys very much. If you are new to the channel and you've only just subscribed, say hi, because I'd love to meet you. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, I love you so much, and I'll see you again very soon. Mwah. Bye.